Hello, my beloved resinist friends. In this video, we are going to see how to shape powder pigments. And yeah, I am working in collaboration with Ecopoxy. Well, first of all, I have to say that these kind of pigments are my dream come true because these are really great quality and I love them. But today, this is a really simple technique that we are going to use and have a little fun. And I am doing this video because I have a friend in another country, far from here, and it was difficult for her to find affordable pigment or metallic pigment, because she said that in her place the prices are too high. So I am working in this technique because I want to help her to do a good effect only with one powder pigment and paste pigment. And I hope you guys can learn something from this, because I know you guys have a lot of material in US or Australia, and you have a really huge stock of pigments and all that. So I really hope these help you a little bit. The first thing that I'm going to do is to place the gold leaf in the mold. Then I'm going to put the colors, these beautiful colors, in the edge of the coaster. And I know, guys, you have tons of videos in everywhere that can help you to do this, and I really hope this adds something to your knowledge. Thank you to all my friends who really support me, even if they already know this technique. Now I will just add the white over the color, and it's important that you really pigment really strong the white, because we need weight in the color or saturate the base, but this can work. Don't forget to use your heat gun to warm the resin to help the effect come out and get rid of the bubbles. So here's the medular point of this video. How do we shape the pigment? We need to check the resin is cold already, because we have to check really well that it stop moving the color, and then we can start to play, because if we do this before, it probably will move and we won't have what we are doing right now. So we have to see that this is stop moving and it's cold already, and we can start to work. And when I say cold already, it's because we passed the heat gun and it's still a little bit warm. And this is the other thing that we can do, help a little bit to push the pigment, but this is just superficial. So in the first coaster I really moved the stick, but in this case I am just pushing a little bit the color. And this is a really cool way to have both sides in the way that we want. Well, in case that the back side it's the way you want, of course. And if you see, the front part just didn't move, and that's what we search. And of course this can really capture the deep of these coasters, but I will show you some pictures and they will show better what I'm trying to say. So this is something that I really hope you guys enjoy and be happy when you're doing this project. And talking about Thanksgiving, I want to say thanks because you exist and you are seeing this video, and you are a great person, full of opportunities and full of joy and full of talent. Thank you for exist and thank you for all your support. I hope my friend is not disappointed with this video. And what do you think, guys? Do we achieve something cool with only 2 pigments, or what you think? Because I am really trying to help her, so please let me know. So these are the pictures that I promised, where you can appreciate a little bit more the deep of these coasters. And of course I have to say, subscribe, share, and please leave a comment. And if this was helpful, and if this not, you can leave a suggestion that I really appreciate. Don't forget to be happy and be a cool resinist. Yeah, I'm kidding. I know you are. See you in the next video. Bye bye.